Hey everyone, I'm Basant from Smartech Guide. This video is all about Samsung Note 20 and Galaxy Fold 2 release speculations and what models we might be seeing on the release. Before starting, please subscribe and share my channel and click on the bell icon next to subscribe button so that you'll get notified of my future videos. Now, Note 20 Ultra model was supposed to be 6.9 inch based on the previous leak. But with this leak, however, Samsung may skip Note 20 Ultra and they might brand Fold 2 as a replacement for the Note 20 Ultra, and that's may be happening with this leak. And the release date is expected to be August 5th, 2020. This is again non-official leak and it's not official from the Samsung, but however it's from the one of the Korean news agency Dongilbo, and it is the strong leaker, so these speculations may be right. The launch will be online only because of the COVID-19 and all, so this release will be online only and the date will be August 5, as I said earlier. Counting the days now, it's less than 2 months. Beside these two phones, Note 20 and Galaxy Fold 2, Samsung may launch Galaxy Tab S7, S7 Plus and 5G version of the G Flip and Galaxy Watch 2 model along with the release. So based on the speculation, like Note 20 may not have huge difference in the specifications than the regular ES model, other than like user differences, like ES model doesn't have a stylus, Note model does have, and a couple of those usual differences. ES model and Note model may have same exact configuration, however they might change a little bit on the camera side to give a little bit bump up because of the price tag and all those things, but most of the things will remain the same as Galaxy S. And Fold 2 model can be or may be advertised as the replacement for the Note 20 Ultra. That means there may not be a second model for the Note 20. It can be just Note 20 and Fold 2, that's all. So instead of Note 20 Ultra, they might brand Fold 2 as the alternative for the Note 20 Ultra, and that will support stylus. However, with this leak, they might not include stylus on the phone itself. You may have to buy it separately. And one more thing is, Fold 2 will have reduced price tag than the previous version of the Fold. Previous version of the Fold was almost $2,000. It was very expensive, cracking and those many problems, so it wasn't a huge sale. So they might be lowering the prices and marketing this as a replacement for the Note 20 Ultra. That means it will get more marketing and more sales. With that said, it may have price tag of $1,400, $1,500 or up to $1,600, while regular Note will have $1,100, $1,150 or $1,200 price tag. So that's all about it. How do you like it, and are you excited? Please feel free to comment down below. That's my time today. Thank you for watching.